Camu Camu, known scientifically as Myrtiaria dubia, is a remarkable plant indigenous to South America. The plant bears berries that are renowned for being among the richest natural sources of vitamin C globally. These berries are also packed with other essential nutrients such as potassium, calcium, protein, beta-carotene, amino acids, and potent phytochemicals. Camu Camu is available in various forms, including powder, juice, and capsules. This plant thrives in the Amazon rainforest regions of Peru, Brazil, Colombia, and Venezuela. The berries are similar in size to lemons, but are light orange in color. Historically, these fruits have been prized for their nutritional and medicinal benefits. Due to its high antioxidant content, Camu Camu offers a strong defense against free radicals that can cause cancer. Renowned for its unique nutritional profile, Camu Camu has long been celebrated not only for its vibrant taste, but also for its remarkable health benefits. Here are the 10 main health benefits of Camu Camu. High vitamin C content. Camu Camu is one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C, containing about 30 times more vitamin C than oranges. This significant amount of vitamin C enhances the immune system by boosting the production of white blood cells and improving the body's ability to fight off infections and illnesses. Reduces inflammation. The high antioxidant content, including compounds like flavonoids and anthocyanins, helps reduce inflammation in the body. This can alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions such as arthritis. Supports collagen production. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis, which is vital for maintaining healthy skin, tendons, ligaments, and blood vessels. Consuming Camu Camu can help improve skin elasticity and joint health. Protects against liver disorders. Antioxidants and phytonutrients in Camu Camu, such as ellagic acid, help protect the liver from damage caused by toxins and oxidative stress, potentially reducing the risk of liver diseases. Improves eye health. The carotenoids present in Camu Camu, including beta-carotene, are beneficial for eye health. They help protect the eyes from oxidative stress and can reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Promotes healthy skin. Due to its high antioxidant levels, Camu Camu helps combat free radicals that cause skin aging and damage. Regular consumption can lead to improved skin tone, reduced wrinkles, and a more youthful appearance. Supports cardiovascular health. The potassium in Camu Camu helps regulate blood pressure, while its antioxidants prevent the oxidation of cholesterol, reducing the risk of atherosclerosis and other cardiovascular diseases. Aids in weight loss. The combination of high vitamin C content and other nutrients helps boost metabolism and promote fat oxidation, making Camu Camu a supportive addition to a weight loss regimen. Enhances digestive health. The fiber content in Camu Camu aids in digestion, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties can soothe the digestive tract. Provides antiviral and antifungal properties. Camu Camu contains gallic acid, which has been shown to have antiviral and antifungal properties, helping to protect the body against various infections. These benefits make Camu Camu a highly valuable addition to a balanced diet, contributing to overall health and well-being. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the incredible world of Camu Camu. From its extraordinary vitamin C content to its powerful health benefits, this Amazonian berry truly stands out as a superfood superstar. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, enhance your skin, or support your overall well-being, Camu Camu has something to offer. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insights into natural health wonders. Share your thoughts or experiences with Camu Camu in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Stay healthy, stay vibrant, and see you in the next video.